existed since before time began. And today, it's all around us, on our phones, in the corner of the news. But once upon a time, if you wanted the time, then you had to come here, to the headquarters of time, Greenwich Clock Museum. All the clocks in the world are set from here, which must take ages. So, what is clocks? Clocks was invented by the ancient Mesopotamians in ancient Mesopotamian times, but they didn't know it were ancient Mesopotamian times because there were no clocks to see what the times was. Because of the shape of clocks, you might think that time goes in a circle, but it actually goes in a line. This is the famous Greenwich Merillion line, named after the band Marillion, who were named after this line. Every day that's ever happened starts exactly here, coming out of that time transmitter and running along this metal line on the ground. That's why this is the only place in the world where I can be in the past and the future, with the present running right up through my middle bits.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the searches of mystery. Standing on my feet.
The Smurfs and communism, kids raping and singing, Sierra Leone rough diamond scammers and how to know them, circles appearing randomly on shirts, insane clown posse, parentheses, ICP, gay/homosexual controversy explained, fish repairs, screaming mechanical brain, Hitler has the longest legs recorded in medical history,
I just poured hot grits down my pants.
Minecraft, potatoes.
Improper Fraction Arena.
Ding 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 ding. Run to where oo want, run to where oo want. I'm gonna catch oo catch. Partial unbirthing fetishism. Rectal anarchy.
Mac a clay volcano.
Maj Jamal al-Samahiji completed stat-wiped list of RuneScape runebots. United States Senate Special Committee on Bondage. List of songs with fruit in the title. List of fictional characters with removable or interchangeable heads. List of people from other walks of their life who is also our pilots. List of people who are alive or are dead. Category, excrement. Is it safe to take many kind of vitamin capsules at once? Is there any alive poet in Kanpur? Prefix Wikipedia, reference desk, /archives. In 1994, PHP was created. The main implementation of PHP is now produced by the PHP Group and serves as the de facto standard for PHP, as there is no formal specification. Can someone send me a shiny Pokemon on GTS for Pokemon Platinum? Could someone please give me a list of PPV things in the WWE? How does a airplane fly? How old are cars? Why do people have sex? Where was the first hamburger made? What is mathematics really? Who wrote the Bible? Who wrote the Bible? Who wrote the Bible? And who wrote the Bible?
This is the Bible.
How can I write an article in Wikipedia? How do I stop my son from looking at Pikachu porn? How to draw a horse? How to eat a coconut? How to make weird icons with your keyboard? How to trick people into thinking you're a wizard? How to create Wikipedia? How to gain balls and be able to not freeze with the only open spot on the bus is next to a really, really cute Asian guy. Oh! Article writing. Create new article. Create new article. Add new article. Create my own article. Submit an article to Wikipedia. Create a Wikipedia. Make your own Wikipedia. Ketu padgujulskbum. Figdig figig fig figig fifidif. Kiksig sud forgif shigishkihidsgjids. Und la dio hugti hatria tre gujurg kudreg dregreg reugurg ireg urgureg itig reg Igri, Gee. Fuck.
I'm hit! Oh, it hurts! It's bad. Mama, help me. I don't want to die out here. Not yet.
不过有几个球真的打得不错。
这个球飞到的是在左外野方向。This ball is long gone, just like the ex-girlfriend who will never return. Home run!
Fuck you, Baltimore!
If you're dumb enough to buy a new car this weekend,
You're a big enough schmuck to come to Big Bill Hell's Cars.
bad deal.
Cars that break down.
Thieves.
If you think you're gonna find a bargain at Big Bill,
You can kiss my ass.
it's our belief that you're such a stupid motherfucker.
You'll fall for this bullshit.
Guaranteed.
If you find a better deal,
Shove it up your ugly ass.
you heard us right.
Shove it up your ugly ass.
Bring your tray.
Bring your title.
Bring your wife.
We'll fuck her.
That's right, we'll fuck your wife.
Because at Big Bill Hell,
You're fucked 6 ways from Sunday.
take a hike
to Big Bill Hell.
home of challenge pissing.
That's right.
Challenge pissing.
How does it work?
If you can piss 6 feet in the air straight up and not get wet,
You get no down payment.
don't wait.
Don't delay.
Don't fuck with us or we'll rip your nuts off.
Only at Big Bill Hell.
The only dealer that tells you to fuck off.
Hurry up, asshole.
This event ends the minute after you write us a check.
And it better not bounce or you're a dead motherfucker.
Go to hell.
Big Bill Hell's Cars.
Baltimore's filthiest.
And exclusive home of the meanest sons of bitches in the state of Maryland.
Guaranteed.
Hi, we're your local high-speed internet and cable provider. Are you looking for a fast, reliable internet connection? A large selection of your favorite HD TV channels? With 24/7 access to the best customer support technicians? All at a fair price? Fuck you. You'll take what we give you. You'll have the option of choosing from several of our completely unwarranted rip-offs, including internet speeds up to 200 times slower than Korea at twice the price, TV packages with over 500 channels, 90% of which you can't view, and we guarantee a plethora of hidden fees. Then, our barely trained technicians will come to install your services somewhere between the hours of 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. Knock once while you're in the shower, and promptly leave. And once we do finally get your service up and running, it'll be down and limping within 3 hours. Indefinitely. Why, you ask? Simple. We are part of what is called an oligopoly. It's like a monopoly, only legal. See, in closed-door meetings with 4 or 5 of the other major providers, we've secretly agreed not to have differing prices, allowing us to completely eliminate any competition and collectively raise our prices to optimum cockbag levels. Because we here at your local high-speed internet and cable provider don't believe in customer satisfaction. We believe in money. Pools of money. Looking for a better deal? You can oligobble down our balls. You're paying for it. Your local high-speed internet and cable provider. You won't like it, and there's no other option.
手足を置くの。後攻、右手を青。カンナさんの番よ。
Again, they visibly delight in one another's company.
This is how bad I was at sex the first time. The first time I ever had sex.
Yesterday?
Glad you remember.
You realize what you've done, what you've started?
Those niggas tried to punk me. I don't pay that shit.
That's pride and vanity talking, not leadership. You've forgotten everything I taught you.
And you've forgotten what a pussy feels like with your old, useless balls. Let's do this, bitch. I'm not afraid of you.
You're a vain, greedy, cruel boy!
I beg to differ, Father. Here, have some candy.
Hey!
I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe. And I get more ass than a toilet seat. 3 to the 1, from the 1 to the 3. I met a bad bitch last night in the D. Let me tell you how I made a leave with me. Conversation and Hennessy. I've been to the motherfucking mountaintop. Heard motherfuckers talk, seen them drop. If I ain't got a weapon, I'ma pick up a rock.
Kirk, you hungry? Yeah, I could totally use some salad.
ちょっと、もう何ジロジロ見てんのよ、もう。
ごめんごめん。
でも、田中ならいいや。え？なんでもない。
そういえば今日山田も誘ったんだっけ？
なんか法事があって来れないんだって。
そっか。
夏だもん、冒険してもいいよね。
冒険するなら未知の惑星。ちなみに僕は今日誘われていない。行くぞー。ほら冒険冒険、無料で始められる。ファンタシースターオンライン2で京都だ。
こっちの冒険。
プレイステーションビータ。
Look at the look of intensity on Maenus. The question is, can Salmon get inside Maenus? Maenus has got to be careful of the liver kick. This is not where Maenus wants to be. Maenus is most comfortable on the ground.
Not a good place for Maenus to be.
Maenus needs to loosen up a little here. We know, Pat, that Maenus can take a pounding and come back. Interesting to see Maenus getting a little acrobatic.
Maenus wants to take him there, take him into the deep water.
So far, so good for Maenus. Salmon did say yesterday he has enormous respect for Maenus.
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my god.
Am I pregnant? Am I pregnant? Am I pargant? Am I gregnant? Am I pegnate? Help? Is there a possibility that I'm peg rent? Am I pregnant or am I okay? Could I be pregonate? How do I know if I'm prengan? Can I be pregnant?
Can oo get pregante?
Can oo bleed while oo are pergert? Can oo down a 20-foot water slide pegnat? How can I get my GF pregnant? What happened when get perginat? How can a 9-year-old get pregnant?
Will my get pragnan?
What is the best time to sex to become pregnant? Does anyone know how many teens get pregnant a year? Are these systems of being pregnant?
Girlfriend ain't had periods since she got pregat.
Is it possible having sex to a 8 months pregnant? If a woman has starch marks on her... Wait. If a woman has starch masks on her body, does that mean she has been pregnant before? Period, question mark. I circle as normal, but yet I still don't get pregnant. What can I use? Period, question mark. Has anybody got pregnant by just pre-cum while using birth control? Did most you women feel pregnant before find out? I am pregnant last 5 weeks, so can I start sex? Danger ops, pregnant sex. Will it hurt baby top of his head? Me and my boyfriend are trying to get pregnant, and haven't took my birth control in 12 days? 38 plus 2 weeks?
Pregnant?
I think my dog is pregnant. Can I get bringed if he had a condom on? How long can Ugo being pregnant to get an abortion? I think I'm pregnant with my 14th child. Can you burn a Luigi board?
Oh my god!
Test your knowledge of adult sex, arousing sex, intimate sex, sizzling sex, and one so hot we can't even say it.
Adult sex? Why is that even an... Oh god. It's like a machine gun fucking my brain.
Mae West once said, is that a gun in your pocket or your sex shooter?
I think... arousing sex.
He's got a sex shooter down. Pornographic movies, what sexual activity is rarely shown?
Keep in mind this is 1985. Fucking kissing, caressing.
What 2 healthy vitamins and minerals does a woman get during oral sex? Riboflavin and iron. What do you call a homosexual on roller skates? Bro.
Who the hell would want to smell like Africa?
Is the weed on the show real?
But along came the Michelin Man, who reminded them the right tire changes everything.
Yo soy Jacinto el Grande. ¡Toma! Si serás imbécil, Jacinto. Todos mis antepasados son judíos. ¿Ah, sí? Pues mira lo que tengo. ¡Heil Hitler!
Pop party! Pop party! Pop party! Pop party! Such a good boy! You want to go to a pop party? Oh, such a good boy!
Time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow.
The Winnebago concepts and engineering departments have developed a multifunctional bathroom. Privacy, I don't even know what the fuck I'm reading.
I wonder what the fuck the real dialogue is.
What the fuck is this thing?
All of the windshield, for fuck's sake.
Oh, fuck. What the fuck did I say?
That didn't sound for shit, did it?
And here, under the hood, we've stored something that'll really come in handy if it doesn't fall out and break my leg.
What we're doing is we're building a fucking industrial film.
Trying to give these guys everything they can get. I mean, that's it. Fuck it. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. We suppose we open... Gotta do it again, right now. Oh, fuck. 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 Oh, fuck. Shit.
What is a Wega board? How do you make a Ouija board? How do you feel about Ouija boards? How to Ojo board works? How we can do planchette without using Ouija board? Is it dangerous to play Ouija board? Ouija board? My Ouija board is cussing me out? Is the Ouija board online fake or real?
It's the Ouija real game.
How we can able to play Ouija board? Ouija board or whatever? How do I find out if they're a ghost in my house without using a Ouija board? A Wiggy board game? What happens? When I was a kid, I used to mess about with a quiche board. Wa weg board. Is that how you spell the evil game thing? Wa weg board. Nailed it. Luigi board? The Luigi board? Making a Luigi board? Have you played the Luigi board? Can you burn a Luigi board? What is a Luigi board? My friends did a Luigi board, and it mentioned me? How do Luigi boards work? Are Luigi boards dangerous if you ask something about ghosts? What's up with the Luigi board game? Is it creepy or what? Is it possible to die for playing this game? Oh.
Help, Quidja!
Do Quidja boards actually works? Ouija. Ouija board experiences? Help pulls. Ouija board. Wega board. Help pulls? Pulls help. Ouija board. Wega board. Pulls help? Help pulls. Ouija board, Wega Borad, help pulls. How to use Wedgie board, and is it real? Do Wedgie board really work? And if so, what happened? Where do I obtain a Wedgie board? Do I have to make my own Wedgie, or can I buy one from a witch or vegan?
Ghost! Ghost! Ghost!
Period, question mark.